So this is just a little preview here of the Lenovo IdeaPad Y570 with a second generation Intel quad-core i7-2670QM. It has an NVIDIA GeForce GT 555M graphics card. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's the maximum. It's got a 6-cell battery, so a little bit over 6 hours usage, depending on whatever you're doing. I also installed, as you can see here, I installed the Turbo Boost monitor that I got from Intel website, and I have my little widgets and stuff there. Today's Monday, February 6th, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It plays all the games that I've currently tried out so far. I've currently installed Portal, Crisis 2, Gemcraft Labyrinth, the PS2 emulator, Nintendo DS, Dragon Age 2, and Fear. I also have Assassin's Creed on here too, which plays very nicely. Dragon Age 2 I play at very high settings. In windowed mode it plays very nicely. The keyboard and stuff, the keyboard is pretty good. The laptop is very light, actually, pretty light. The keyboard, I like the keyboard and stuff, how the keyboard is. It's got like these little like the keys kind of like have indentations in them. And as you can probably see right here, it has like little you can see it right there. See it? It's like a little bracket, like a little dent in there to show you where it is. And also over here, it has it on the arrow keys. It also has a separate keypad, number pad or whatever. It has one single button right here, but it's a rocker. So if I were to press the left button, the right side of it, it does that, as you can see. And if I just click on the left one, it does that. So that's that. So here on the side here, these are USB 2.0. Here you have, right here you have mic input, then you have your headphone input, then you have, which I have a micro dongle for a Logitech mouse. I have that, and then I have my game controller, which is down there on the ground. And the Logitech F310, which I use for a lot of my games, for like games like Fear, stuff like that. You don't use the controller, you just use the mouse and stuff, which is perfectly okay with me because it's very responsive. Here's a VGA input, and here's my HDMI input here on the left side. Here's my nice looking, I think that's maybe like a heatsink or something like that for the CPU or the GPU. Up here I have little buttons. There's my power button. There's one of my left JBL speaker. So there's that one. And I think that little button right there is one touch recovery. I'm pretty sure that's what it might be. So I have right here I have mute, volume down, volume up. This is whatever the hell that is. That's sleep button. That's for media center or something, which I don't even use that button. That's for sleep, which I don't even use that either. There's the right speaker over here. So this is a 15.6 inch LED screen. And let's see here, it has it's Core i7, like I mentioned before. There's the NVIDIA, which this is 720p. I can't even see the damn. So this is GeForce with CUDA technology. Windows 7. Here's my little Gears of War symbol sticker I put on there for my Xbox 360 game. And here's here's the processor light up here. It's telling it that it's working. Okay, and then here's some other little lights and stuff like that. The one on the left over here is for power. The other one's for battery that is plugged in. And here is, I don't know. And we have a, looks like this might be a card reader, which I haven't even messed around with that yet. That's the card reader right there. SDHC or whatever. Okay. And then over here is one of my favorite things to use. It is a little switch, a little silver switch here, and all I have to do is click that. Now it's off. So now it says, now it's GPU ready to save power. Now you can click it on again by switching it over, and GPU ready to optimize power and performance now. So now my NVIDIA card is back on. This other one here is for the network card or whatever. And over here I have USB 3.0. Notice the blue. Inside here I have two USB 3.0s and two USB 2.0s. And what I like a lot about this laptop, besides the double layer drive and everything like that, I like the power cord, that the power cord's on the right side. So that's pretty cool. I'll just take a look here at the back of it. Yeah. Just give me a second here. So I'll show you the back of it here. So I put my Gears of War thing on the back there. Pretty cool. Like that. There's really sunny out today. That's why we're getting a lot of feedback. So yeah, pretty good. It's pretty good on there. Nice. And there's the Lenovo. The what do you call it? What's that name? It's like silver, I guess. Lenovo symbol. Here's my kitty cat down there. That's Tigers. So he's enjoying the sun, just getting some sunlight. So that's pretty cool. So that's basically it. It's pretty nice, pretty damn good. I only paid I paid $7.99, not $99 for it. So it came to be, for 2-day shipping, it came to be $8.89, I believe, and change. Didn't go over $8.90. It's a little bit under $8.90. But you won't be able to get it for that price anymore, even if you go to the Lenovo site like I did. The new price of the laptop is now $1,099.99, so $1,100 now. So I got a good deal on it. It was a limited time offer, so that's good. So that's my my review of the Lenovo IdeaPad Y570. Thanks a lot, guys.